In this clip I'm going to talk about installing the open source point of sale program version 1.1 in Debian 6. On this machine, the Apache web server, the PHP script interpreter program, the MySQL database program and the PHP MyAdmin tool have all been installed already, so there's nothing to do on those. On the desktop here I've got a folder called OSPOS download. That is the program file that was downloaded from SourceForge. I'm going to expand that, and now we've got another folder with all the contents of the program. I'm going to change the name of that to Checker, which is the name of the program and the database I'm going to use. And I'm going to put a copy of that on the desktop where we can get to it more easily. To replace the one that was there from earlier. Okay, now in Checker I might need to go into the folder application, then into the folder called config, and I'm looking for a file here called database PHP. Now to open that with gedit, and I need to change some settings. So scrolling down, we've got this set for the database. Localhost is correct because it's using a local server. The username I'm going to use is root to get access to the database. I'll use root for the password. For production purposes it's not advisable to use something as simple as root. It's a very common name and a password, but for this demonstration it's okay. I'll change the name of the database here to Checker and then save that. So just 3 changes: root, root and Checker. Close that. Now I need to upload all of this to the appropriate place, which is that directory, var www, and that's the command I'm going to use. I'm going to copy, and the -r means recursive, which so that it will copy all of the files and folders. The folder I'm going to copy with its contents is Checker, and the destination of it is there. Make sure there's a space between those. I should be able to paste that into a console, and then we're okay. Let me open a console. I'll log in as root. Change directory to desktop. Desktop with an uppercase D. Now I'm in desktop. Paste in the command and it should be there. We can have a look and see if it is. I go to Places, Computer, File System, var www, there's Checker. It's got a cross there and a padlock symbol, meaning that it's locked out because it's read-only. The file's permissions need to be changed before we can do anything. Now I have something here which we can paste into the console to help with that, and it's a change mode to change the file permissions. So it's chmod -rv, which means it does it recursively. 755 is the permission I want, and the cache in that particular folder. So if I paste that in here, then it quickly goes down and changes the file permissions of all of them, and that should be okay for access. Let me move these out of the way. Now I need to create a database, and for that we need a browser, so I'm going to open this one. This is Iceweasel. Okay, doesn't want to open Iceweasel. I'll open another one, and I'll click on this shortcut to PHP MyAdmin, and I can log in here with my login name and password, which are both root for the purpose of this demonstration. me open this up a little bit so it's easier to see. And we want to create a new database, so in this box here put checker, which is the name I'm looking for, and create. It says it's been created, but over here on the left it says no tables found in the database. I need some, so to do that I can import them. I'm going to click on import, and in the location of the text file I'll click on browse, go to the desktop. I'm looking for checker, database and database.sql. Click on open, and then down here at the bottom I click on go, and it tells me that 47 queries have been executed. I can now exit from there, and if I blow this up to full size so it's easier to see, I can then go to localhost. There's a shortcut there, just HTTP and localhost, and I need to put in checker, and there we have the login screen. So we'll put in our username, which is admin for this, and the password, which is point of sale, all one word lowercase for the demonstration, and we should be able to go. I'll do that in another clip, and I'll do a quick overview of what the program's about and how to use it, and that will be done shortly. Okay, I hope that was useful to somebody, and I'll do some more clips soon. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.